So now I would like to guide you how to move your body along with the breathing. If standing is difficult for you, you can also sit on a chair or even sitting on the floor. Okay? So now, find a comfortable standing position. Arms by your side. And gently open your feet about your hip wide. Sit back, relax your knees. And imagine you're going to gather Qi energy from the ground into your belly button. And as you breathe in, lift up your arms, breathe out to drop. Slowly open your arms as if you're flying with the wings and gently drop. Breathe out. And now as you breathe, turn your hands facing up toward the sky. And imagine that you're going to charge this energy from the sun, from the sky, into your palms. And then, as you breathe in, gather this energy over your head. And as you breathe out, slowly bring down in front of your belly button. Now we're going to draw a big circle in front of your body, making a balloon, and carry up this balloon up to your chest. Gently turn your hands, flip. Inhale to slowly draw a circle. And gently pull your hands into your hara, into your abdominal. And slowly circle. Now fingertips pointing each other. But as you breathe, point your fingertips forward. Slowly breathe out and breathe in. Draw into your chest. Ready? And as you breathe out, slowly drop this Qi guiding into your legs. Then finally, extend legs and come back to where you started. So this is a sequence that I do every morning. Did you enjoy this? Now you saw how I begin my day with this one sequence called Open Gate 5. So starting my day with this particular sequence would help me, of course, to begin my day with a fresh energy, but also to bring my awareness into my daily work, which is face reflex therapy. By touching different people's face, I understand what's happening in each person's body and mind. So in order to provide the best possible result for each person, it's very important for me to use this Qigong as my daily routine.